You got drugs here, right? Okay. What's your name, boss?
What's your name?
Okay.
Yo, no, don't do that, bro, please.
Okay, do you want to be on fucking video too?
No, only you and she is going to be on the video.
Bro.
Listen to this. How about I do this, boss?
I go away.
Look. Buddy, I got a camera too. You want to be on camera too?
Stop,
There you
bro.
go. This is
Stop,
perfect.
bro.
I'm gonna put you on 6 bucks, no problem, buddy. Okay. So what's your name, boss?
William.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have ID?
No, sir.
Where's your body camera? You don't have body camera where you're undercover?
He's just amping up. I just want to talk to you guys.
I know, I'm okay.
Okay.
Yo, can you
He's just
stop,
He's
bro?
just amping it up. Buddy.
I know, I told him to stop. Yo, bro, what did I just tell you, fam? Brother, I just told you.
I'm not recording. I'm not recording anything. None of your business.
I don't know where you're about to shoot up there, right? So that's why we're talking to you guys, just so you know. You understand?
I'm not recording you guys, don't worry. But I will record them after they leave. I'll follow you and get your names and badge numbers.
You're gonna follow me?
Yeah,
Why are you gonna follow us?
to get your name and badge number.
Do you know this guy? Oh, yo, buddy. Buddy, come on.
We have undercovers, but I'm not recording because the people that I was sitting with, they don't want me to record. So I will respect their wishes and I will not record. But we have two undercovers. One of them is wearing a pink shirt and a blue Jays cap and sunglasses. I'm not recording, brother.
Shut up, bro, because you're disrespecting me again. What I tell you? Say you respect me. Stop. You're disrespecting me. Stop, bro. They're just doing their job. Stop, bro. You're not saving nobody. Keep your word. Stop. Stop. You're not saving nobody.
Stop.
Right. Listen to your...
Do me a favor. Just go for a bite. I'll talk to you. If I want you, just go for that. Yo, just go. Just go.
No, I will not leave the police.
You're not detained, bro. Just go.
I will not leave the police.
Oh, don't be weird, fam.
If they violate your rights,
They're
I will
not
record
violating our
them.
rights, dog.
I'm not recording
They're checking
anything.
up on us, actually, for our well-beings.
I know. They are profiling you.
Because you instigated that, now they want to check us.
No, they
So if you keep doing that, bro, they're gonna end up.
they came
Bro,
and
what did I tell you, bro?
they asked you your
Bro,
names from
Bro,
get-go.
what did I tell you? If I get arrested, bro, you fam, I swear to God.
You're not going to get arrested for me. You're not going to get arrested for me.
How do you know arrest me? Hey.
Oh, what's up?
Never played. I'm crying.
I'm crying. Look at the heels. They're nice.
know, when I see him leave, he goes, no. Not gonna come.
Oh, you're hanging out with that.
No, I'm waiting for the police, then I will leave.
No, bro, don't even do that shit. You're not even watching us.
This is exactly what we're talking about.
Like, once you disrespected them, bro.
Yeah, just go, buddy. Just go.
You're not being a hero. I told you this.
I'm not trying to be one.
I learned that the hard way many times. That's for
You're lucky these are good cops. You're lucky, eh?
Yeah, I'm not.
So would I, right?
This is Joint Friday weekend.
I'd rather someone that knows everything. That makes sense.
You ever ask questions? I was him a little bit. He got me at the station one day. I just finished a couple of shots there.
I'll take your other ass.
And I'm on it. No, he just gave me the back.
Yeah, what up, player?
Actually, money in my pocket.
Chillin', man. Not like yesterday, though.
Brother, listen. These guys are officers. You're gonna be, well, they could arrest you for obstructing a police investigation. Okay, so stop. Just go. There's nothing you can do. If somebody's under arrest or detained, there is nothing you can do. Not even the person that's detained can do anything. Let me tell the truth.
Yo, I was going to come over to you guys, but then if I came, I would have tried to. Look! No, I told you. No, stop.
Police. By the corner.
So fucking No, bro, I knew that was We're talking about it. And like, we're talking about it. You know why? Wait. She's cool. Guy.
Public. I'm not recording you. 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 I'm recording the police.
Just leave them.
No, the police only. I record the police only. He said yes. He said yes. He said yes.
No, there's nothing to fucking record.
It's public. It's public. I'm not recording the guy.
Listen, it is public, but I'll tell you what.
Watch.
You don't have their consent.
Watch.
You're impeding in a police investigation, my guy.
It's not impeding.
Yeah, it is.
I have all the right to record in public the police.
For what reason? Okay, you're making it more difficult, more embarrassing.
If they violate his rights, then it will be on camera.
Yo, my guy, you're pissing me off. Like, if they were here at 15.
I stopped it. I stopped it. Jay, I stopped it. Jay, I stopped it.
Just go.
I'm gonna get your badge number. I asked the badge number, but he didn't give me his badge number. He introduced himself as a police officer, and he was just asking names and last names of everyone. So I know that he's a police officer, or at least he has identified himself as a police officer. Then heck, I'm going to get his badge number and name as well. I don't know if the undercover police is obliged to give their badge numbers. I'll ask.
Oh my God! You were like click through.
Officers, can I get your names and badge number, please? Then I will leave.
What do you need?
Just your name and badge number, then I will leave, sir.
Badge is 10715, okay?
Okay, and your last name?
Just look it up. 52 division, buddy.
Okay, and can I get yours, man, please? Badge 11
Okay?
11623?
Yeah. We'll see you, buddy.
Okay, thank you. And ma'am, I liked the way that you interacted with your compliment to her heels. I liked it, actually. That was really nice of you. I just wanted to highlight that while we are walking on the sidewalk. Have a good day. Be safe, please. Okay, guys. I have some pigeons that I wish to show you behind this stuff. They're right there, behind there. They can see me from the window. Maybe they cannot. I cannot see them, so they cannot see me as well from the window. I hope they might let me move. Yeah, they are not blocking the door, so the shadow is over there. I don't think they can see me. I cannot see their reflections, even though I have a better angle than them. Selamun aleyküm. That's the parking lot of Toronto Metropolitan University with its new name, and they're on the public easement of this area. So it's a very bad undercover man. They actually just came, hey guys, I don't need to tell you, I'm a police. He was talking like this motherfucker. It was funny. But I don't think I recorded it. I didn't record. But it's okay. Oh, let's make a maneuver. Nice. Let's be a little more stealthy. Let's see if they're going to profile anyone. Maybe not. Maybe they will. Who knows? Camera will show. I will give them a little bit more space. I think they're patrolling. Oh, fuck. I think you saw me. I don't care. Fuck, I don't even know how to say this. Fuck. Okay. So they have given me their badges, but they haven't given me their surnames. I asked their last names, but no, they didn't tell me. Maybe I should get their names, last names. I just need your last name.
Okay. K-O-N-E-C-N-Y. Okay.
K-O?
N-E-C-N-Y. Okay. Now stop following us.
And can I get hers as well, please?
Buddy, you have our badges. Go to 52. Stop following us. They're gonna arrest me.
No, you're not going to arrest me for walking and recording in public.
Stop. Yeah, you're stalking me. That's why.
No, it's not stalking. I would love you to arrest me for stalking. That would be funny. That would be a content, I mean. Not that I don't want any content, but that's not my purpose. I am not anti-cop. I don't have any ill intent against you, but you have a little bit of ego issues as far as I can see. And that's why I wanted to get your name. Don't jaywalk. Don't jaywalk. Yeah, I know jaywalk doesn't exist in Canada. Don't jaywalk. Bye-bye. Harassing, interfering. She has just created a public record. She's recording me, so I have all the right to record her. Just one second, brother.
Just leave the
She's recording. Look.
So what? Leave the.
I will require. Ma'am, I haven't gotten your last name, right? So if I want to request that footage that you have produced on your duty, which is a public record now, which is, I hope that's not your private phone, otherwise I will be getting into your private information. So I hope that's your work phone, and I wish you to provide me your last name now. Ma'am, could you provide me your last name, please? The camera shows that you have not, so you cannot refuse to identify yourself when a member of public requests you to do so. It is in your policy. I'm still asking your last name. Can I get your last name, ma'am, please? So I can request that footage that you have produced when on your... I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm trying to get her last name. Yeah, badges only. Maybe they are wrong. I want to get her last name, and per your policy.
Hold on. We got a real call. We gotta go.
Yeah, but I want to get her name. Can I get her?
We gotta go.
Can I get your identification, ma'am, please?
I already gave you my badge number, sir.
What about the last name, ma'am? You haven't given me your last name, though. Yeah, that was a fake one. Can I get your last name, please?
We gotta go. We gotta move.
Yeah, go. I'm not stopping you. I just want to learn your last name. As by your policy of a police officer, you have to identify when a member of public requests you to do so. So, ma'am, could you please be more professional, please? And provide me your last name? Ma'am, I know you can hear me. Can I just get your last name, and I will just request that information that you have produced that is open to public access. So, ma'am, please, can I get your last name? You told me that you're a police officer, and police officers have to provide 2 counts of identification. You have provided me only with 1. Ma'am, please. I just want to get your last name, that's all. Can I please get your last name, that's all.
Zed? Zamit, okay? So now go.
Sorry, how do you pronounce?
Zamit, so now you can go.
No, how do you spell?
Zamit.
How do you spell? How do you spell? It's my second language, I don't understand. English is my second language, I don't understand. Can you spell it for me, please? Can you please spell it for me? I don't know how to spell that last name. English is my second language. I promise, I swear English is my second language, I didn't understand. Can you please spell me your last name?
You got your caution now for harassment, okay?
Yeah, good luck.
If you continue to follow, we're gonna arrest you for harassment.
Good
okay?
luck. Arrest me now.
Okay?
Arrest me now.
If you keep
Arrest me
following
now.
us, listen,
Sorry, arrest me now.
if you keep following us, you're gonna get arrested.
I want to get your badge.
Okay?
I
We gave
name.
it to you. We gave it to you. So
Arrest me now because I want to get your last name. Arrest me now. Arrest me now.
I told you.
Arrest me now.
Okay?
Arrest me now. What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your last name? What is your last name? What is your last name? What is your last name? Ma'am, you have introduced me as a police officer. And what if you're not a police officer? What, you just fake people who just you just pretend that you're officers. I have to check it out, and I need her last name, and you told me something. I don't know how to spell that. So if you please let me know how to spell your last name by your policy, so I can make a complaint to you to the OIPRD. Well, the name is changing, but it's okay. That will be another complaint. So you refuse, right? I still want to get your last name so I can make a complaint. Can I make a complaint? Yeah, but I don't know how to spell her last name. You said something like I don't know how to spell that. Can you please let me know how to spell that so I can make a proper complaint? Please?
Excuse me. You have to reverse. I can't get out like this.
Oh, police ego is in play. Man, just the last name, man, please. I'm trying to save you from the public backlash. Just the last
Give
name.
you my badge number, sir.
That's only, you have to provide me two counts of identification. You haven't spelled me. I don't know how to spell that. Just for the record, 1 foot from the window. 1 foot from the window, whatever it is for the record. So close. So close. I like it. So they cannot back up, and his policy goes, "Hey guys, I cannot back up." Look at this dude.
Hello?
The complaint gonna stick, you know, for all of your career. You should not have let your ego to prevent you to do what your policy tells you to do. I butchered the English again. Good. I'm professionals.